Science is a common topic in the IELTS speaking test. Today, I'll share some useful phrases and example sentences on this topic. At the end of the video, I'll share questions to practice these phrases, and you can watch sample answers here. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Want to improve your IELTS writing skills? Check our IELTS writing channel. 1. Understand the world around us.
Science helps us understand the world around us and how everything works together.
2. Reasons behind common things.
I love learning about the reasons behind common things, like why leaves change color in the fall.
3. Secrets behind what we see.
I enjoy studying the secrets behind what we see in nature, like why the sky is blue.
4. Learn about animals and plants.
Biology is all about learning about animals and plants and how they interact in ecosystems.
5. Spark my passion for biology.
The diversity of life on Earth really sparked my passion for biology.
6. How trees and birds survive.
I'm fascinated by how trees and birds survive in different environments.
7. Important in daily life.
Science is so important in daily life, from the medicines we take to the technology we use.
8. Weather forecast for planning.
We rely on weather forecasts for planning outdoor activities or trips.
9. Medicine cures many diseases.
Thanks to advancements in medicine, doctors can now cure many diseases that were once considered untreatable.
10. Explore the ocean's world.
Scientists continue to explore the ocean's world to uncover unknown species and ecosystems.
11. Deep-sea creatures and coral reefs.
Deep-sea creatures and coral reefs are incredibly fascinating to study.
12. Change the way we live.
The invention of the internet has changed the way we live, work, and communicate.
13. Prevent diseases with vaccines.
Vaccines have played a key role in preventing diseases like measles and polio.
14. Connect with others easily.
Thanks to modern technology, we can connect with others easily, no matter where they are.
15. Fascinated by electricity's discovery.
I've always been fascinated by the discovery of electricity and how it powers our daily lives.
16. Powers our homes and devices.
Electricity powers our homes and devices, from lights to computers.
17. Inspire curiosity about nature.
Nature documentaries can inspire curiosity about nature and wildlife conservation.
18. Read books and watch documentaries.
To learn more about science, I love to read books and watch documentaries on various topics.
19. Study body systems together.
It's amazing how the human body systems work together to keep us alive and healthy.
20. Protect endangered animal species.
It's important to protect endangered animal species before they disappear forever.
21. Share the planet with life.
We share the planet with millions of different species, each playing an important role in nature.
22. Improve lives through science.
Scientists are working hard to improve lives through science, creating new treatments and technologies.
23. Explore space and underwater.
Exploring space and underwater environments can teach us more about our own planet and the universe.
24. Study ecosystems and their balance.
To understand how species interact, we need to study ecosystems and their balance.
25. Teach kids science through apps.
Teachers can teach kids science through apps that make learning interactive and fun.
26. Access to modern tools.
With access to modern tools like smartphones, we can learn and research any topic quickly.
27. Practical experiments in classrooms.
Practical experiments in classrooms help students understand scientific theories more effectively.
28. Fast and easy communication.
The internet allows for fast and easy communication across the world.
29. Science helps solve real problems.
Science helps solve real problems like developing new medications and fighting diseases.
30. New medicines and treatments.
New medicines and treatments are constantly being developed to improve our health and quality of life.
That's the end of the phrases. Now, let's look at some questions about science. Try to use the phrases we just covered to answer these questions. Do you like science? Why or why not? Did you enjoy studying science at school? Why or why not? What was your favorite science subject in school? Do you think science is important in our daily lives? Why? Have you ever read a book or watched a documentary about science? What was it about? How has science changed the way we live today? Are there any scientific discoveries that you find fascinating? Do you think young people should be encouraged to study science? Why or why not? Do you think science will change the world in the future? Describe an area of science, for example, biology, robotics, and so on, that you are interested in and would like to learn more about. You should say which area it is, when and where you came to know this area, how you get information about this area, and explain why you are interested in this area. How important do you think science is in everyday life? Do you believe that science can solve all the world's problems? Why or why not? Do you think science education should focus more on practical experiments or theoretical knowledge? Why? What role do you think science plays in improving health and medicine? How has science and technology changed the way we communicate? Why do you think children today might be better at science than their parents? How do you suggest the public can learn more about scientific developments? Who should pay for scientific research, governments or private companies? That's the end of today's video. You can find the link to the sample answer video in the description.